Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about concatenating and aliasing columns. So I will be doing two videos. This is the first part, and we will be learning to concatenate strings and then create an alias. So when do you concatenate strings? A possible example is that you've got the first name and the last name for a customer, but you want to create a full name. Or if you've got address in multiple columns, like you've got the address line 1, address line 2, zip code, and then city, state, country, and you just want to create one complete address field, you could use that. And you might want to concatenate because you don't want to do it at an application end. For example, you're doing code in Java or some other programming language and you just want the database to handle the concatenation. You could use it here. So what does that mean? It means that you create an additional column, which is a join of other columns. The application will not be able to distinguish between the columns per se. So the new column will also come as a column, and only the database knows which is a concatenated column and which is an actual database column. So I've got some data here with me, which is a customer data, and I've got the customer key, first name, last name, gender, and all this information. I want to add a field which is the complete name, so I can add it here and just go, and I just need a plus sign, and I execute it, and you can see I've got the name now. But the problem is that I want the space between the first name and the last name. So what I could do is, so what I've done is I've just added a space here and again use the plus sign. So we use the plus sign to concatenate the columns, and then you can use single quotes with a space to add space. And now if I execute this, you can see John, Yang, Eugene, Huang, Ruben, Torres. But I want to call it, or I want to give it an alias name. So I will call it customer. So you can type it as this. You use as. And you just run it again and you can see customer full name. And you've got the customer full name column. This as is something you would want to put in ideally because it's easier to read, but you can do without it as well. Let's just run this again. So in this video, we learned how to concatenate strings in SQL Server database and how to give it an alternate name or an alias, and the reasons that we might want to concatenate two strings. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video.